Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for insightful reviews and recommendations. Today, we dive into the world of outdoor gardening with a focus on one of the best 32-inch tall planters available in the market. Introducing the Mayne Inc. Modesto planter in Neptune Blue, standing tall at 32 inches with dimensions of 16 inches in length and width. This planter isn't just a container. It's a blend of durability, style, and functionality designed to elevate your outdoor space. Crafted from high-grade polyethylene resin, this planter offers exceptional durability while remaining lightweight and shock-resistant. Perfect for year-round use, it withstands extreme weather conditions and is equipped with UV inhibitors to prevent color fading. What sets the Modesto apart is its innovative double-wall construction, providing insulation to protect plant roots from varying weather. It's not just about looks. This planter can be filled with sand or gravel for added stability. With a generous soil capacity of 6 gallons and easy assembly, it's designed for convenience. In conclusion, the Mayne Inc. Modesto 32-inch tall planter in Neptune Blue is not just a garden accessory. It's a statement piece that combines durability, functionality, and style. Whether you're enhancing your garden or patio, this planter promises to elevate your outdoor living space. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time.